Elephant Goes Potty by James Patterson. Today, said Mama L, and she looked right at Ellie. Today is the day, yes, today is the big day. Today is potty day. Ellie wasn't so sure. No, Mama, she said. No way, not today. Not today? Asked Dada L, and he smiled right at Ellie. Why not today? Don't you like your potty? Ellie peeked at the potty. No, Dada, she said. That's not my potty. Is it potty time? Sang Jima when she picked Ellie up for ice cream. Peanut butter fudge. But only if you go potty. Ellie walked right past the potty. Ice cream, yes, she said. Potty, no. All day, Ellie's family tried and tried. Go, Ellie, go, Junior cheered. No potty, no, Ellie said. How do you like your new potty, Ellie? Aunt Elsa asked. Click! Bye-bye, Aunt Elsa, Ellie answered. It soon seemed to Ellie that everyone was in on it, even the dog. I don't want that potty, Eldo, Ellie said. I'm busy. Go away. By Ellie's bedtime, everyone was all worn out. Sitting alone in her big girl bed, Ellie thought about Mama and Dada. She thought about Jima and Junior and Aunt Elsa too. Ellie even thought about Eldo. He wasn't really a bad doggy. Maybe they were all onto something. So Ellie inched out of her big girl bed and she tiptoed down the hallway. Today is the day, Ellie whispered as she sat down on her very own potty. Today is the big day. She remembered Jima singing, "Is it potty time?" and Junior cheering, "Go, Ellie, go!" So that's exactly what Ellie did. Guess what? Ellie cheered through the house. Guess what? Ellie told her sleepy parents. Guess what? Ellie told her snoring brother. I did it! Dada L and Mama L said, "We're so proud of you, Ellie." And Junior said, "Can we go back to bed now?" The family laughed. Today had been the big day, potty day, but now it was time to sleep. The end.